Özkan Deniz and Asli Enver are very famous actors from Turkey, and they have worked together in the TV series Istanbul'u Gelin. And guys, trust me, this series is loved by millions of people, not only in Turkey but also around the world. And today we will talk about this series, their actors, and why fans love this series so much. Istanbul Gelin is a romantic drama series, and it tells the story of Farooq and Surya. Farooq is a rich businessman who lives in Busra in Turkey, and on other hand, Surya is a simple girl with big dreams, and she loves music and work hard to follow her passion. Farooq and Surya meet by chance and fall in love. And fans says that story is very real and full of emotions, and many people feel connected to their characters of this series. And in this series, Özkan Deniz played the role of Farooq, a strong and caring husband. Farooq is a man who loves his family but also supports his wife. He is a brave and always tries to solve problems. And on other side, Asli Anwar played the role of Surya. She is a kind and independent woman. She is a strong girl, but also she has soft heart. In this series, she fights for her love and stands against all challenges. Asli Anwar's acting as of Surya is very real, and fans says that she made Surya a very real and relatable character. But guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then what are you thinking? Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel to get every update related to Özkan Deniz, because this YouTube channel is only dedicated to Özkan Deniz, and you will get every update regarding to Özkan Deniz, whether its career, his personal life and everything. And guys, please never forget to press bell icon, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, let's talk about chemistry of Özkan Deniz and Asli Anwar in this series. Guys, chemistry between Özkan and Asli Anwar is the heart of the series. And even many fans says that their acting was so good and perfect that it looked like they were truly in love. And people start calling them the best on-screen couple in Turkey. And guys, even some fans thought that they were husband and wife in real life. And the performance of Asli Anwar and Özkan Deniz made the story more beautiful and emotional. And guys, there is no doubt that Özkan Deniz and Asli Anwar proved themselves as best on-screen couple in Turkey. Okay, let's discuss that why fans loves this series. First reason is story. The story of Istanbul Gelin is full of emotions. It has love, family drama, and many twists. According to the fans, story is very touching and unique and different from other series. Another reason is acting. The acting of Özkan Deniz and Asli Anwar is perfect, and they made the characters of Farooq and Surya unforgettable. Another reason is the music. The series has beautiful songs that make scenes more emotional. Many fans love the music of Istanbul Gelin. Another reason that this is family drama. The series Istanbul Gelin shows the problems between family members, and many people can relate to these situations in their own lives. The story of the series is very emotional and full of struggles. Farooq and Surya both get married, but their life is not easy because Farooq's family, especially his mother, does not accept Surya. This series shows us that how they fight for their love and face many problems together. Basically, this series is all about love, emotions, and family drama. And guys, fans loves Istanbul Galin so much that they want a second season of the series because they are missing seeing Oscar Dennis and Asli Enver together on the screen. And guys, many fans write on social media and asking for another season of the series. And friends, this series is so interesting to watch. Even many fans says that they have watched Istanbul Gelin more than once. Fans says that it is not just only series, it is an experience which we experienced every year. And guys, why this series is so special? And answer is very simple because this series includes real emotions. This series tells us the real emotions between two characters, and love of Farooq and Surya feels natural. And series has good storyline and strong character. All the characters in this series are strong and well written. And guys, fans feels connected to characters. Guys, you will surprised to know that this series has made huge impact on Oscar Dennis and Asli Anwar. Oscar Dennis and Asli Anwar became more famous after this series. Their fan following has increased a lot, and friends, fans from all over the world says beautiful thing about this series. They says that this is the best series which I have never watched, which I have ever watched. And some other fan says, I love Oscar Dennis and Asli. They are the perfect couple. And some other fan says, I want a second season. Please bring them back. And guys, if you have not watched Istanbul Gelin yet, then you should definitely watch in your free time because this series is full of love, emotions, and life lessons. And if you have already watched, how many times you have watched it? Please comment in comment box, and thank you so much for watching my video. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.